the lateral side of the cat's leg, and it's a little muscle here, right here, with connective tissue that connects all the way down here past the knee, right? This is called the iliotibial tract, and this little muscle is called tensor fasciae latae. This little muscle and its connective tissue lay over a large muscle in the thigh called vastus lateralis. And you can come back here and see the front of the thigh with vastus medialis, rectus femoris, and vastus lateralis. So this is covered by the iliotibial tract here, connected to tensor fasciae latae. Okay, this muscle back here is the bicep femoris muscle, and this is the posterior muscle in the thigh, and that brings you back to semitendinosus, which was the last muscle that we visited on the medial side. So we've come full circle in the thigh when we get vastus lateralis, bicep femoris, and now we're back. This little tensor fasciae latae was a hip muscle, and the other two hip muscles are here, gluteus maximus, which is puny. It's named for a human, not for a cat, because the cat's gluteus is very small. And then underneath it, you can see the edge and the roundness of this huge gluteus medius. The medius is 2 or 3 times bigger than this little gluteus maximus here. But tensor fasciae latae, gluteus medius, gluteus maximus are all in order, in the right places that they are in a human. It's a little harder to see it when the cat's laying down, sorry. But if you were to stand it up, you'd say, okay, yeah, there's the human with tensor in the front, gluteus medius up by the iliac crest, and gluteus maximus covering part of it and down and back. And then bicep femoris behind vastus lateralis. So all the 3 muscles here in the hip are all where they should be. The muscles here in the thigh are where they should be. The last thing to do then is cut the bicep femoris, open it up, and find the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve is actually 2 nerves that are joined together into one, and they don't come apart really until you get down here close to the knee. And then this is the common fibular nerve, and this is the tibial nerve. So each nerve is named for a bone in the leg. The lateral bone in the leg is the fibula, so the nerve that comes to the lateral side is going to be the common fibular nerve, and the other one is simply the tibial nerve. The sciatic nerve also has a branch up here because this tibial nerve part also sends branches to the posterior thigh muscles, semimembranosus, semitendinosus, and bicep femoris. And so this little branch here is called the muscular branch of the sciatic nerve. So there are 4 nerve names that you should be able to name here. Just be careful you don't confuse this with the femoral nerve because it kind of has a bird foot look. But notice there's no femoral artery or vein here. So that's the nerve. And then the nerve actually comes out from under a small muscle here, hiding under the gluteus medius, right here, which is called piriformis. And then down below here, there's this rectangular muscle here, which is quadratus femoris. So those are all the muscles in the hip area and all the muscles down here in the thigh.